Reflection. What's your reflection? Reflection. What's your reflection? Reflection. What's your reflection? Reflection. What's your reflection? What's your reflection? What's your reflection? What's your reflection? Find your direction.
Yo.
What's your reflection? Find your direction. What's your reflection?
Yeah, there's nothing that can describe what's going
Find
on.
your direction. What's your reflection? Find your direction. What's your reflection? Find your direction.
I don't think it's great for the market.
What's your reflection? Find your direction. What's your reflection?
It ain't great for the market.
Find your direction.
Check out this.
What's your reflection?
It's crazy, dude.
Find your direction.
Crazy.
What's your reflection? Find your direction. What's your reflection? Find your direction. What's your reflection? Find your direction. What's your reflection? Find your direction.
Yo, what up, everybody? Happy Sunday, happy weekly close. Going into a holiday today, fam. A holiday, that's right. Monday is a holiday. In the States, markets won't be open. But good old crypto will be open. Crypto 24/7, 7 days a week. It's going to be open whether it's Christmas, Hanukkah, Labor Day. It don't matter what. 4th of July. Crypto market is open, fam. And let me just tell you, The market has never been more steaming hot than right now. If you missed Trump, well, here it is. The next Trump, fam, Melania, however you pronounce the next first lady of the president of the United States, excuse me. I don't know how you pronounce it, but this is just insane, fam. To put this in perspective, the market cap of this coin is 12 billion. Okay, when Trump coin was at like 75 cents or $75, excuse me. When Trump coin was at $75, fam, that was around 12 billion market cap. So this market cap has hit close to the highs of the Trump coin. Have I bought Millennia? Yeah, I bought a little Millennia at around 7, mid 7s, 750. It's not much. I actually looked at this at like $4. Could have probably gotten in sooner. I mean, like, you got to just pay attention to the space. You got to pay attention to Twitter. Twitter's or X platform's a really powerful tool, fam. So if you see people starting to stir up about something or another, I highly suggest you, listen, conviction makes a lot of money in this. Can I borrow some Bitcoin, best bud? You're funny, Drigo. Yo, Brick Boy, thank you for that follow on Twitch. But yeah, the space right now is crazy. It all concerns me though, fam. You know, as cool as it may look and sound, it's all a bit concerning. I was saying this in the Discord, but I do think there's some type of hack that's gone down. I can't live in the reality that Donald Trump, even though it's on two different platforms, you got Truth and X, I think his account was hacked. I think a bunch of accounts were hacked. I don't, maybe not. Maybe this is real. It's really hard for me to sit here and live in this reality right now, fam. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't know about you, fam, but this is really hard for me to live in this reality. Look at this fucking... this is the 5-minute chart, fam. This shit fucking spawned to life like 3 hours ago. This is just crazy. Okay, let's get to some real assets. If you call Bitcoin a real asset, let's get to Bitcoin, okay? So we kind of broke out this meme line. We're right there at the retest. It could be bullish, fam, right? Like, this could be bullish. This is just a retest of the meme line breakout, right? We could have easily that simple. This is just a shakeout and then papa, right? Something like that could easily be the play. Something I want to go over, though, and that I saw here is the weekly stochastic. Now, check this out, fam. Check this out. Weekly stochastic up here. Hit the normal resistance. Hit the normal resistance there. It couldn't cross bullish. It actually had to close over 107 to cross up. Now it has to close over this week over 100K.8. I don't know if it's going to do that. We got a whole week. We got the inauguration today. But with everything that's going on, it's a little bit concerning. You have Solana chain breaking down, Phantom Wallets breaking down. People couldn't even buy Millennia coin. It's kind of crazy. And now we're holding the lows for Bitcoin on low time frames. Again, we're kind of holding that meme coin, that meme line. Excuse me, that meme line. I'm saying meme coin because of how involved we are right now in the meme coin business. But yeah, this easily could, we just got to hold that level, that kind of 99.7, 99.6 level on the daily. Could easily keep this crossed. Other than that, you got the weekly stochastic, which is bearish. It's actually coming down at a nice slow trend. Other than that, there's not too much bullish stuff. We do have this nice trend line here too on the weekly stochastic. RSI, though, on daily. Let's look at the daily RSI. I do want to go over that real quick. The daily RSI, okay? Check this out, fam. Okay, a little bit of a fake out. Very concerning. You could have had the daily close a million different ways. It could have still looked very ugly, right? This previous daily candle, this Sunday candle, could have looked a little bit uglier, less ugly than this. And I probably would have been a little more bullish. But this, fam, and I've talked about this since the last cycle, actually, the last cycle top. I believe we had a weekly Ethereum candle that looks something like this. Okay, I'm going to get rid of all the TA real quick. But this daily candle right there, okay, it's what I like to call the Darth Maul. It's not just a Darth Maul, it's a Darth Maul with a big ass fucking handle. All right? It's a big fuck you to the market. That's what that is. This is not, there's nothing really bullish about this candle. Look, here's a daily candle that closed like it, right? Here's a daily candle that closed like it. We had to come down here, hit the daily 50 MA for that bounce. So we got to make some type of reverse hammer candle still. Right now, this does not look like a bottom. Okay, we're trying to break down that support now. Sorry, that support, right? And make it resistance. Meme line, the right there was a 99.7, 99.8. Let's see if we hold here, fam. Go to coins like Solana, right? That is an ugly daily candle. Grab liquidity right there. Probably some bearish divergence. We did have a nice daily cross yesterday, but they couldn't hold that very well. As well as you go out to the weekly, okay? Really, really, it's just unfortunate, right? You got this beautiful weekly candle. I'm going to clean up this chart a little bit. I don't care if we're going to start over. But couldn't they have just given us a little bit more? Just a little bit more. Had they closed the new high, fam, on the weekly, we would have been rocking with our socks off. But this is not, look at this. That's not the case. These lines matter, fam. Look at this. Look at that. 4 candles right there. Beautiful, beautiful. And just on the weekly, Solana, same thing right here. We're under resistance still on that weekly candle. Don't like that. Near a mix. Thank you for that follow. Brick Boy. All right, I got you already. Lighten up another bull. Savage Charge is the man. More people should be in here. Thank you, Trader Jack Attack. I appreciate it, dude. The weekend garbage. Yeah, everything's suspect, bro. Everything's suspect. This is not good. The market looks like it just wants to waterfall down right now. I'm talking about the books, everything. If you guys don't use, excuse me, I got a cough drop on, and I'm still getting over this respiratory flu. It's horrible. But if you guys don't have Teal Street, okay, go get Teal Street. I think I got a little exclamation. Go get Teal Street. It's one of the best resources out there. It's like having Exos chart and your exchange hooked up, and you get instant like you can instantly trade. You don't need a VPN. It's an amazing tool, but even more so, you got the aggregator. You got open interest. I'm looking up at it up here at this screen right here. That's where my Teal Street is. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. And right now, maybe I got it. How do I do this again? I forget. We're gonna try to go to the Teal Street. I gotta refix this. I gotta fix it. But anyways, Teal Street's a great tool. Just use it. Use it for your trading. I'm gonna fix my transitions. I don't know the button, but I use it all the time. It's the way to trade. You can trade mobile too. I use it right there on my phone. It's really, really dope, and it's super useful in all the resources. But anyways, Solana couldn't close that new weekly, as well as I forget. Oh yeah, that's right. Go over here back to Bitcoin. Let's go back to Bitcoin in a second. Let's talk about the historical volatility. You guys all know I like to use Balipor's historical volatility. If you don't know who Balipor is, I'm gonna give him credit where credit's due. He was the first to ever come up with an indicator like this. He's an absolute animal. Okay, we have not just any pivot. We have a 2-week pivot. This 2-week pivot tells me swing, swing, swing. Why does it swing? Because when you have a 2-week pivot, it's different from a 2-hour pivot. If you have a 2-hour pivot, that's probably a good scalp opportunity. It actually probably a little bit risky if you don't break it down over other time frames like the hourly, 15, whatever. But we have a 2-week pivot here, fam. Okay, that means this is the top, and now we're expanding down. We're still expanding down from here. We also have bearish divergence, huge bearish divergence here on the 2-week, fam. Peep this, right? Boom. We got bearish divergence on the 2-week. We got bearish divergence on the weekly. Let's go to the weekly real quick. So there's definitely, look here, there's the bearish divergence of the weekly. There's definitely reasons to be bearish right here, fam. Outside of the Trump coin, the Melania coin, the Elon coin, all this shit, man. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Yeah, it's great. It's free, Trader Jack. It's free. It's one of the best resources, if not the best resource out there. It's has so much free stuff on it. You can customize it to your own colors. You could twop your way into the market. Ladder. There's so many different strategies too. Anyways, I'm very concerned. I think everyone should be very cautious right now. You didn't get that weekly close on Solana. Bitcoin is not look good right here. Now again, just let's see, let's pull up the EMA and MA. Just from, simple this structure, sure, we're holding the support right now. Easily could pop up, squeeze out some shorts. I would like to see this meme line hold. I'd like to see 99.6 hold on the daily. That's where I'd think, okay, we get one daily candle. This inauguration day, Trump coming in, that would just hold. Then we could get really, really bullish here, fam. But we lose 99.7, fam. We're going to fill some of this out. Now, where would we go? Normally, we got some nice looks on the 4-hour. Filled that. All right, here we go. Believe it or not, we could come all the way down here. This would be a nice grab. Oh, man, what's happening? This would be a nice grab of liquidity, right? This would be a nice correction. Wipe out some Trumpers here. Trumpers as in the meme coin. So, we're going to have to see what the market wants to give us. Let's see. Let's go check out Melania right now. Okay, there we go. Right? Not healthy. Who would have thought? They got Eric Trump one. Are you kidding me, dude? Look at this market. Trump shuffle. The Trump shuffle. This is crazy. Let's look at Trump coin real quick. By the way, Trump coin, people think there's insiders on Trump coin, but I actually can prove to you most of the Trump coin, right, was actually not an insider, but somebody that sniped it early. They put $1 million in this one right here. This is crazy. No, that's not the right one. Top traders. Wow. This is the one. Yep. So basically, they bought $1 million. They sent the $1 million in Trump. They right off the bat, like we're like under $1. They spent the $1 million in Trump to 10 different wallets. This is one of those 10 different wallets. This is just one of them, fam. One right here. Here's another one. These are some crazy transactions here, fam. Just crazy. It's absolutely crazy. You could have made a lot of money. Listen, fam, let me tell you how to let's just go over this real quick. Let me tell you how to play a meme coin. Buy Trump here, maybe best R&R right now. No way. Daga, no way. If Bitcoin dumped right now to 90K, Trump is dumping to $10. Dog, just so you know, if Bitcoin dumps and Bitcoin looks like fucking a bag of a hot dog shit right now. Bitcoin looks like a bag of hot dog shit right now. Like on lower time frames, it does not look great. Sure, we're holding, but all right, look at this 5 minute. That is not a good look. Let's go to the 3 minute. Let's see if we can get like a 3 minute cross here. They're trying to pull it back. We'll see. They're trying to pull it back here. Can they hold here? That's the question. Regardless, fam. Regardless, fam, if Bitcoin pulled back hard, then everything else is gonna pull back hard with it. It's gotta hold this line, fam. Gotta hold this line. That's what it's all about. But let me tell you how to play a shitcoin, okay? Let me tell you, this is how you play it, all right? Let's say you woke up like me, okay? And you bought okay. Let's say you woke up like me and you bought right around here, I bought $19. Okay. I sold all of my Trump at like 30. Right? That was it. I made money. I got out. I was not greedy. Now what happened? Overnight, went up there and doubled. Okay. I could have just bought here, sold here, right? In one day. Or the market could have ran me over in my sleep and I would have made no money. This is not a bad, that's not bad, fam. If you make a bunch of these, this was not that big of a play. Let's see here. 19 to 30, it was 74%. If you make a bunch, compound a bunch of 74% wins on the shitcoin market like this, that's gonna be very, very good, fam. You're gonna make good money if you're compounding small wins like this. If you're trying to play the shitcoin market and you buy here and you're trying to make it like this, which was basically a 2x, almost it was what, like a 3, I could have like 3x my money, right? Could have 3x my money. Instead, I just got 70%. If you had honestly just played it like this, then you would have been fine. You know, you would have been happy with a 3x. But you just play like this, compound a bunch of those wins, you're going to be a lot happier, a lot less stress, fam. For example, Millennia, right? Going off. I actually saw this coin at, believe it or not, $4, right around here. I did not buy till here. And I put money in that I'm willing to lose. And now we're here. So I bought here. I saw it here. This right here, lack of conviction. When you want to do this, like, why wait to here? Take the conviction play, run it up, and then take profit, you know, right around here, fam. Oh, it's because I can't write. That's funny. I'm behind on my tech right now. But anyways, that's how you're gonna make a lot of money, fam. It's just something like this. Take these small moves if you're gonna play around with the shitcoin market, especially with swapping. Take this small move. On Solana, it's relatively cheap, fam. So like you're paying like $1 or $2 per transaction, maybe $3 per transaction. It's really cheap on the Solana chain when you're playing with these meme coins. But take the smaller moves. Don't go for these big moonshots. Don't go for that. All those people that make those money on those moonshots, they lose it the other 9 times that they go try to take another moonshot trade. So the one they're showing you, hey, I made a bunch of money on Trump. What they don't show you is the other 9 they lost. They don't show you that. More than likely, how many people bought here? Double top. Now what's going to happen? Right? There's no small, people already underwater right here. Just a millennia. I don't know how to pronounce her last name. I mean her first name. Excuse me. Here's Bitcoin on the 3-minute. Failing to cross right now. It's an ugly look. Ugly look, fam. Trader Jack attack. You're holding Bitcoin since 17K? I mean, Trader Jack. I mean, what you could do is at this point, you could sell half and then hold on to half and you'd still win. Right? Why you guys sell it all? Do I use any steroids? No, Bane. I'm an all natural. I actually enjoy being all natural. I don't mess around with the PEDs or anything like that. I'm very happy with like my progress, and I've been doing a lot of powerlifting. And I'm not like trying to blow up my ego or anything, but I'm super strong right now. I'm not as like jacked as like I was let's say last summer. I'm not as jacked because I've been eating a lot more food and gaining weight, but I'm definitely stronger. And then what's going to happen is probably when it gets a little bit warmer in the springtime, I'm going to start doing cardio, watch what I eat a little bit more, and then go back to more hypertrophy. But I've been doing oh yeah. So I know Trader Jack. I know people that did TRT and then came off of it, and they said like their whole lives are horrible. So that's even more reason for me not to. Rog, yeah. Yeah. I mean, we'll see what happens. We're trying to get some type of retracement. We get that 3-minute cross, could be a good trade. Could be a good trade. Just wait for that 3-minute cross. Yeah, let's go over Ethereum. Sure. Ethereum looks funny. Ethereum looks a little more bullish than Bitcoin right now. Just on the 3-minute time frame. Just the 3-minute. Let's look over the weekly. Ooh, interesting look right here for Ethereum. So sad thing about Ethereum right now, fam, is if you like get rid of let's remove all the drawings. It's a good one to go over. It's hanging on by its chin right here. Okay. So this is, if we just go over trend, right? Yellow above blue is good, but if yellow, look how tight this is. If we lose this weekly, let's look at the volatility. If we lose this weekly candle this next week, and then that yellow crosses down blue, we're in big trouble, fam. We are definitely going to be in big trouble for Ethereum. Personally, not super exciting chart here. Not a super exciting chart for Ethereum. It's still okay. This is kind of the hopium. Let me show you. The hopium's like right here, fam. Right? That's kind of your best hope for Ethereum. It looks so dead. I think most of the money right now, if you're gonna play alts, I think most of the money is in Bitcoin pairs, right? Like look at Ethereum weekly Bitcoin. Like let's just mark out our basic levels. But weekly trend is down. Let's look at the daily trend. It's bearish. I mean, like we're like, and this is a lot of separation. There's nothing bullish about this chart. Monthly. Let's get rid of the EMA and MA. All right. So we're gonna mark our levels real quick. Here's the monthly. I think this is really good support right here. Right. Confluence is right here. And then we have another good support right here. That was confluence right here, right? And then we actually have this is just a horrible look. This is a horrible look. I mean, you could even pull this down a little bit here. This is just a horrible look for Ether. Look at that monthly. So that's the Ether Bitcoin chart. There's really nothing exciting about this chart. Nothing bullish. Like, let's look at Sol Bitcoin, right? Here's the monthly. Not the greatest chart either. This actually isn't a very good chart on the monthly. Look at this. A lot of wicks here. We got it. I mean, unless we engulf this previous monthly red candle on Sol Bitcoin, I'm not sure Sol's going to run against Bitcoin. I mean, it did. Like, let's go to the weekly. It did. Right? But it just hit resistance and made another lower high. It grabbed some liquidity here. if grabbing liquidity from Bitcoin's a thing, that it did it. I think we're bullish as long as we're above here, though, which is about 0.002 for Solana. Let's like look at another good one is look at Aptos. All right. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna say sorry. This is a really bad chart too. We're making new lows on the Bitcoin pair. Let's look at XRP Bitcoin. XRP Bitcoin. All right. This one's not too bad. Actually, it's not great. XRP Bitcoin, really nothing's changed. It had its time, made a little divergence. There we go. I mean, right now the state of the market is Fartcoin. Fartcoin is the best performing coin right now. Maybe Melania is the other one. Order. Yeah, I'll take some alt requests. Anybody got alt requests? I'll take them. Orderly. That's not a great candle. Order. Not a great candle. BNB, yeah, let's see BNB. That's actually a good one. I'm glad you brought that up. Damn, man. A lot of this stuff looks toppy. Bitcoin looks top, fam. BNB looks like shit. Pepe looks like shit. Look at that weekly candle. Oh, this is almost free money short. This is a free money short. Holy shit. Look at this. You couldn't get a freer trade, fam. This is free money. Free money right there. Gonna go all the way back down. Fuck, man. You can make that tighter, but that is not a good looking coin. Market does not look good, fam. I think it would be good, being cautious and taking some profits, and maybe if you don't want to take profits and you're considering just riding this shit up higher, not the greatest weekly for tell, but if you're considering to try to ride this higher, then at least take a hedge. At least take a hedge, fam. At least. I'm telling you. Market is not happy. Is not a happy market. No, I didn't buy into desync. No, I didn't, Rodin. Good question though. I know we talked about that. Bonk too. Damn, we already had our fun. We already had our fun, fam. I'm telling you, this 2 week on Bitcoin is bearish as fuck, fam. This 2 week on Bitcoin is bearish as fuck. We're gonna drop, and we're gonna drop hard. We're probably going to low 80s. 84, 86K minimum. I mean, honestly, Draco, if you want to get out and try to buy lower, but Jupe's going to be going down too. Everything will go down with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a very, very bad bearish signal right now. This is a fresh 2 week print for Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin top is in for right now. For right now. And alts are going to get punished. And I think a lot of it has to do, it's just like the irony is that you had the next president of the United States, at least his Twitter accounts, his social accounts, shilling fucking meme coins. And then his wife shilled a meme coin. I mean, the market right now is crazy. You want to talk about steroids? The market's on steroids right now. It's on fucking steroids and LSD and mushrooms. And I mean, they're fucking just... The entire crypto market right now is like a bunch of meth heads. Could be go, yeah, could go up, could go down. I mean, this could just easily be a pullback, but man, I'll tell you what, it does not look good. I'm telling you, this historical volatility indicator is pretty damn accurate. That's a pivot. It's gonna expand. It can continue to expand up. But why does he need to shill a meme coin? I mean, like, listen, if you're going to get rid of the SEC, you definitely should not shill a meme coin. As the next president of the United States, like, you're going to get rid of the SEC and then you're going to go rug pull people? You can't make it up. You can't make it up. You can't make it up. It don't look good, fam. It don't look good. I'm pretty sure it's a hack, and if it's a hack, we're talking about hundreds of millions of dollars has flipped hands, fam. Like, money went from the poor to the rich, sure. I mean, that's just crazy. A lot of the people that made millions of dollars have been on-chain sifting the on-chain and been doing this a long time. Like, I could have taken advantage. I could have taken more advantage of Trump if I was awake when it came out. We had that stream Friday night, but we didn't talk about it on stream. We didn't, you know what I'm saying? We weren't aware of it by the time I ended the stream Friday night. Had we done, I have money in wallets ready to pop all the time, and that you should too, especially Ethereum, right? You want to just put some cash aside in your MetaMask wallet. I think it's always a good idea, because when these opportunities come, you can get in and out, like I said, in and out, and just make a little bit of money and not really look. Again, these people are trapped up here on this shitcoin. You could just get in and out, play something like this, be happy with like a 2x. You compound those 2x's, fam. You're absolutely out trading the S&P. You're out trading most modern day hedge fund traders. I mean, literally compound 2x's like on these Solana meme coins and shit. You could make a lot of money, but you could obviously lose a lot of money. Now imagine you were one of these people. Let's go over here. No, for real. Let's go over here, right? Because this one's just going off. All right, so this is the 5 minutes. So we'll go 5, 10, 20. Let's look at 40 minutes ago, okay? We're going to go all the way down here and just keep scrolling until we get the 40-minute mark. Actually, I think we can look at... There we go. P&L. All right? Let's look at this guy. They bought the top. Yep, they bought 44 minutes ago. They bought the top. Looks like they put in, look at this, look at this. 63,000, 100,000, 100,000 approximately, 40,000, 100. Look at all this shit they bought. Look at this. And then they started selling 25 minutes ago. Look, we're still going down. Look at this guy's fucking track record. Look at this. This is purely money switching hands, fam. You can't make this. Look at this. Oh, he's selling. And again, this motherfucker, this is the biggest loser right here. They bought $12 million worth, and their P&L is down 9.8 million. They bought 12.5 and it turned into 2.6. This motherfucker lost $10 million in 20 minutes. This ain't a bot. Oh, the bot. Yeah. But this ain't a bot that lost his money. This motherfucker lost $10 million on Millennia. $10 million in 20 minutes. Imagine losing $10 million in 20 minutes, fam. That's insane. Lost 10 million on Millennia. Yes. This motherfucker lost 7.2. Let's see. Look at his transactions. I bet you bought about an hour ago. Yep. Look at this. Oh, he got in pretty early. He's still down. Oh no. Look at this. No. He didn't get in early. Look at that motherfucker. Look at this motherfucker. Talk about buying a top. Holy shit. Holy shit, dude. Look at this motherfucker. 10 million. Why is it looking so insane? It ain't insane, bro. This is, I said it right off the bat. I said, the market cap of Millennia is already at the highs of Trump. Just because the price different don't mean it is different. The Millennia market cap's like 10 billion. The top of Trump, when Trump was like $80, the market cap was around 13 billion. I know, I'm like watching this shit all the time. Okay, it's my job to know this shit. But these motherfuckers over here, dude, oh my God. Look at these. Imagine. You think like losing 10 grand's a lot? Look at this. Look at how many people lost millions of dollars. So far, 38 people. We gotta tweet this shit. 38 people, bro. 38 people have lost over $1 million. Insane. Insane, people. I mean, I like again, $7. You get it at like $4. You get out at 7. Just be happy. That's almost a 2x. Be happy. I mean, it's 75% off of. I literally made $1,000 on Trump yesterday on a 75% move. It's very happy. Be happy you made $1,000 off of literally like in an hour. Oh, just 75%ers. Think about this. The S&P goes up like 30%, like has been going up like 20 to 30% in a bull run. The S&P. You made 75% off of a shitcoin on Solana in an hour. Think about it. Think about that for a second, fam. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. This person's still freaking out. Oh, he's buying more? Look at this. Buying more because the price is going back up. This person's crazy. No, they're not putting their net worth in the S&P. They're putting like their 401k in the S&P. I don't know anybody that's putting their net worth in the S&P. Those people don't make a lot of money by putting their net worth in the S&P. You have a lot of money, you're putting a lot more money into private equity. Are both our target now for losers who lost today? I mean, shit, dude. We should go look at Trump. Like, let's look at the people that lost money on Trump. This is actually fun. This is fun. I'm not gonna lie. This is like, all right. So let's see how much. Let's see how many people lost millions of dollars. Somebody lost 3 people, fam. You guys see this? 3 people lost over $40 million on Trump coin. Yo, real quick. That can come on. Hold on. Hold on. My face is coming up. Three. This motherfucker lost 38 million. This person lost 40 million, 47 million. How do you have that much money? How? How do you have that much money? This is a reality TV show, fam. This is insane. Ugh. How do you have that much money if you're okay, all right, hold on. All right, guys. Here it is. How many people do we think lost over $1 million on Trump coin? Let's get some guesses, okay? Whoever guesses the closest will get free premium access in the Discord. Whoever guesses the closest, okay? So you know it's more than 19. Okay, here's a guess. It's more than 19. Throw up a number. How many people lost over $1 million on Trump coin? All right, we got, as soon as this timer flips the fuck over, as soon as that sand drains, 94. That's a good guess. It's over 19. 55. Come on. Keep it coming. More guesses. You can Google it. I mean, you could Google it, but like, I mean, I'm gonna end the competition really soon. I'm gonna end it really soon. Like, it's gonna be soon. This is crazy. Yo, did you hedge? Thank you for that follow on Twitch. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, time up. Time's up. Time's up. We can't even check. It's more than 100. What? Ugh. Damn. More than 100. I'm gonna get an official count. That's crazy. Insane, fam. Insane. Crazy. The highest guess. Yeah, there's somebody that guessed 101 though. Crazy. This is crazy. All right, fam. I really appreciate all you. I think that if you're gonna take real quick, go back to Bitcoin. Go back to Bitcoin real quick. If you're gonna take a hedge, you're gonna take it right here. Highs on the last week. Boom. And I think it's very probable you're gonna see big dump. Okay. Big dump. I think it's very probable. If you're gonna take a hedge, I'm just saying it's a hedge. Okay, not bearish. Not bearish. It's just a simple hedge. It's crazy times right now. Mad love, appreciate all you. I will be back live Tuesday night. So look forward to me on Tuesday night. Stay safe. You know, hope that everything is a lot better going into tomorrow night. If you're in the Discord, I give all my updates in the Discord. Please join the Discord. I really appreciate everyone's support. Thank you for all the new follows. If you don't sub for me on YouTube, make sure you sub me on YouTube, fam. Crazy times, fam. Crazy times. Be safe. Don't go crazy aping into Millennia. I just showed you like people that have lost millions of dollars on both those coins. There's 3 people that lost $40 fucking million. 3 people lost $40 million. So, like, really,